If your spouse cheated on you and you live in Texas, will you get more of the marital property? I've probably said this a million times, but it is definitely worth repeating. Texas is a community property state that does not recognize legal separation. This means any assets accumulated from the beginning of the marriage up until the trial date is considered marital property. Assuming there is no prenuptial agreement, marital property is usually divided 50-50. However, the judge does have some discretion when dividing community property and can give a disproportionate share to the parties. The judge can consider the following. The judge can consider who is at fault in the breakup of the marriage. Cheating, also known as adultery, is a fault ground that is recognized in Texas. However, if cheating or any other fault is proven, the judge cannot technically give a disproportionate share of the community property. Instead, the judge can consider any benefits the spouse who is not at fault would have received had the marriage continued. For instance, a Texas judge considered the medical benefits a spouse would have received had the marriage continued. A value was placed on those medical benefits, and the community property was divided in a manner that accounted for the medical benefits. Thus, the spouses were given a disproportionate share. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you live in Texas and would like a free kit to do your own divorce, please check the description box below to sign up.